Hey friends, I'm a little out of breath because I'm out here on a trail run with the puppies. You may see them kind of run up here in just a sec. We are here in Colorado. You can see the snow coming in above the mountain, which means that it's going to be a thrifting weekend for sure. No garage sales, but you know what? Thrift hauls are just popping hot for us actually lately. We're making a ton of money on our flips. So check it out. Come along with us. Check out this footage. We're going to be carrying you along in the thrift shop, seeing if we can find something. Rattle in the bushes. Who could that be? There's doggies. All right, come along with us. It's going to be a fun one. Okay, so you walked along with us on those thrift shop adventure visits there. Probably saw a lot of products that maybe you guys would have liked. Hit me down in the comments below if you guys see something that caught your eye that we're not going to be mentioning here. But yeah, what we're going to do is just take a quick few minutes here, show you what we found, what we thought was a great deal, and what we picked up. So first thing we snagged was this Panasonic TZ5 camera. This is a 9 megapixel camera. It was in the original packaging. It comes with the charger, which is really important, and the camera. You can see the original price on there is $12.99. This was not a 50% off sticker, so we paid $13. And this is actually selling on Amazon for about 90 bucks. That's quite a bit for these older cameras. I think on eBay you're going to probably get a more realistic price of around 40 to 50, but I'm going to try it on Amazon first, so potentially a $90 sale. Okay, next thing we picked up is this Verifone media, or basically a credit card processor. It's just the processor and no cables or anything like that. This one was has a couple of WorldPay stickers on it, but the model number is the VX520. This, you can see the sticker price, $3.99. It was actually half off, so that was $2 that we picked this thing up for. It has a rollover receipt paper in there. This is selling on Amazon for $55. Okay, the next thing to show you is another Canon camera, point and shoot camera. This is the PowerShot A470. This we picked up, again, original packaging. This is a battery operated, so we didn't need to worry about the charger. This was $9.99, so 50% off that sticker price today was $5. And this is reselling on Amazon for $45. All right, this is kind of an interesting little pickup. This is a dive calculator for scuba divers. And the model number was the ERDPML. And yeah, it's just a little pocket calculator. These are actually probably something you can get on your phone now for the same features, but a lot of people like to have these because they can take it out on a boat. It can get wet a little bit. It has some water resistance. And these calculators, I picked it up. Actually, there was no price tag on it, so the guy let me have it for $2. And these are reselling online or used for $14. So kind of a small turnaround there, but these are really easy to package up, really lightweight, and so kind of easy to ship. So again, this is a little bit lower than we like to go with our flip, but you know, easy packaging. Might as well grab the $10 where we can. All right, this next little media gadget here, this is the Sansa, or actually it's by SanDisk. The model is the Sansa, and it's an E250. This is a 2 gigabit media player, plays MP3s, some video things. These media players are awesome. They usually sell for us fairly quickly. We picked this guy up at Goodwill for $10. And this is selling on Amazon for about $50. Okay, this last thing here is our big score. This is a Vena Pro. Basically, it's a blood circulation tool, and it wraps around your legs and your calves. You have this little electronic battery-powered component that helps move circulation through your lower part of your legs. And yeah, this thing is a medical piece of equipment. It's by Dagio Global. And you can see we paid $7.99, 50% off the ticket price there. So we actually paid $4 for this thing. And get this. This guy is going for $300 on Amazon. So if you guys find these things, again, it's kind of a blood circulation tool. Definitely pick them up. It doesn't look like much. We kind of found this on the front table at the thrift shop. I was really surprised no other pickers had found this because of the turnaround. And the potential profit is so high. So again, $300. Okay friends, I hope that video was really helpful. That's our finds for this week. Potentially some really good profit here. Hey, what did we miss? Again, lots of footage there. Did we miss something that you guys saw that you would have picked up? Hit me up in the comments below. This video is helping you guys. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming up really soon.